Hello everyone, my name is Mil Kumar Bhatt and I am here to present assignment 1 to Professor Prajwam for the subject of business intelligence. So for the assignment 1, here is the first question in which I need to find out the date format of American Standard in regular expression. So I have imported regular expression and the date is I try to import is 28 January 2021. So in the regular expression I have created the 4 digits for the year, 2 for the month and the 2 for in the date, that is for string. So we do regular expression, it shows this date. Then in the phone number section of question 2, I have again imported regular expression and I try to import the number in this format of 3 plus 4 numbers. So in the regular expression mode, I have tried to express 3 numbers first, then 3 again, and then 4, which is a mobile number format of North American Standard. So I got this as an output. In question 3, I also, with the help of regular expression, I try to match an email address. So for that regular expression, I have imported and I've used A to Z number, A to Z of the words and 0 to 9 as a digit. Then I try to import the @ sign and with the dot, and here I have strict to the 3 digits only. I've also put if-else solution as well, like if the email is matched, it shows email is valid, otherwise it is showing invalid email. So then I put my email ID, that is anshul@gmail.com, and then it shows anshul@gmail.com is valid email. Then in the question 4, I try to calculate distance from 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. So it displays the calculated distance using class math. So I imported math and defined distance. I've used equation of math square root, that is zx raised to 2 plus e minus y raised to 2. So in new line it will print it the calculated distance is and then return the distance. So in the specific equation I put the value of x1 as 5, y1 as 4, x2 as 3 and y2 as 2. So the output shows the calculated distance is 2.828427. So in the question 5, I need to create a random vector size 50, replace the maximum value by 0 and replace minimum value by 100. So in that I have imported numpy as np and I have tried to import random integers between 50 to 250 and number of specified range is 50. So I also try to print the larger numbers rank in the array as well as the smallest numbers rank in the array, and then try to replace the smallest number with 100 and the largest number with 0 and print new line array after replaced by 100 to 0. So this is the array I got, and here is the number and of number 26, that is the largest, is 244, and 59 is the 45th rank in 50 rank of digits. It is 59, and so it is again replaced by 0 and 100. Then in the task 2 of question 1, I have to create this matrix. So I imported numpy as np as well as scipy and import CSR matrix. So for that I have created an array of now in numpy with this digits and this is the row by array with these numbers, and this is the column and by array with these numbers, and then put the value of matrix, that is CSR matrix. Data is row and column, and shape is 10:10 to array, which prints the matrix in this form. And then the second question of task 2, I have again imported NumPy as NP, and also I used matplotlib as pyplot as PLT. I have put the value as mentioned in the question, that n is equal to 256 and line space of x and y. Plot axis is 0.025 as well as 0.95. And then I have to plot and fill between blue and red color. Here in between I have to, the value is x minus 1 and y minus 1, which is greater than minus 1, and here less than minus 1, which gives its impression as a wave. And in the above wave I have put a blue color, and the below wave there is a red color. Then I have shown it as plot show, which is required for the matplotlib to show it. So this is how the image is shown. Then the last task 3, we have to import the Twitter API. So with the help of Twitter API, I have got this consumer key, consumer secret, access token, as well as access token secret, which is basically a username and password to access the Twitter API. For that, I have imported OS. I also imported TweePy as TW, which is required library to connect with the Twitter API. I also imported Panda as PD. So with the help of that, I have also get authorization with the help of Twitter OAuth handler, in which I need to enter consumer key and consumer secret. Also set access token, with the help of the access token and access token secret, the help taken from Twitter API. And I have tried to also limit on the search as well, in which I try to search this hashtag respect from the date 30th December 2020. I also put word search on that and specified language English, and also specified number, that is 5 tweets. So as a result, we can see this 5 tweets over here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 3 were retweeted and 2 were new tweets. Thank you so much, guys, for listening.